We are going to make the stems for our vases now. And if you take a look on our example of our stems right here, these are all about the same thickness as my finger, and that is very intentional. The reason why is because we don't want to make skinny, tiny little stems like that. So let's try to make some nice big stems, make them thick, because if they're too big, you can always cut them down later. But if they're too small, you have a limited amount of filter. So we want to make sure that we don't waste any. All right, so making stems is actually really pretty easy. You are going to just start at one side of your coffee filter, and with your pencil, you just draw top to bottom, make a line. Then the next thing I do is you can, if you're worried about it, you're not sure about your drawing abilities, give yourself a little bit of a help. Put your finger down with the line on one side of your finger and make a mark on the other side of your finger. Do this a few times to give yourself some guide markings to show yourself what you're aiming for and where to end up. It's a really good strategy to use if you want to make sure you're making your stems thick enough and staying parallel to your stem the whole time. These markings will show up. So when you are drawing with your pencil, make sure that you are drawing lightly. Now, you see how that's parallel all the way? Yep, okay. We are going to make about 5 or 6 stems. So let's keep going and we'll finish that up. Now that I have my 5 stems, I'm going to draw some leaves over here in my extra space. Once you have your leaves all drawn, go ahead and cut everything out.